Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from module 2 which is based on recurrence relation. Let a naught equals to 1, a1 equals to 2, a3 equals to 3 and an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 3. For n is greater than or equal to 3, prove that an which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n for all positive integer n. So now let's solve this question. So first we write what is given in this question. So we have given a recurrence relation which is an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 3 where for all n is greater than or equal to 3. And what is the initial condition which is given in this question? Initial conditions which is given here a naught equals to 1 comma a1 equals to 1 and a2 equals to 3. This is the given data of this question. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that an which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n for all positive integer where n is greater than or equal to 1. This is the statement we have to prove with the help of initial condition and the given equation which is an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 3. So according to the initial condition, here we are using the base case where n equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So for n equal to 1, here we are putting n equals to 1 in this main equation. So a1 equal to 2 which is less than 3 to the power 1. So 2 is less than or equal to 3. So this statement is true according to the first case where n equals to 1. Like that for n equal to 2, here a2 equals to 3 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power 2. So 3 is less than or equal to 9. So this is also a true statement for n equals to 2. Like that for n equal to 3, so a3 equals to, this is 4 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power 3. It means 4 is less than or equal to 27. This is also again true statement which satisfies the given condition. So our base case hold true condition. So we are proceed to the inductive step. So now our second step is inductive hypothesis. Inductive hypothesis. What it means? In this, here we are assume that statement is true for all integer k such that our k is greater than or equal to 1 and less than n, where our n is greater than or equal to 4. So we can write it as our k is greater than or equal to 1 and less than n, where our n is greater than or equal to 4. This is nothing but our inductive hypothesis. So now we are writing our condition which is a of n minus 1 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n minus 1, and second one is an minus 3 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n minus 3. This is the two statement which we get with the help of this expression in inductive hypothesis. Now move to our next step which is inductive step. Inductive step. This is the three step. With the help of these three steps we are prove that our given relation is recurrence or not. So in inductive step we need to prove that the statement hold true for a to the power n which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n. In this step we need to prove this one. So from the recurrence relation which is given in this equation which is an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 3. So now we have substitute the inequalities from the inductive hypothesis from this equation in this equation. So what is the value of an minus 1 from this equation which is 3 to the power n minus 1. So an equal to, this become 3 to the power n minus 1 plus. So what is the value of an minus 3 which is 3 to the power n minus 3. So now what is our highest factor here which is 3 to the power n minus 3. So divide this whole equation with the help of 3 to the power n minus 3. So here we are taking the inequalities. So in the function of inequalities, we are not using the sign equal to. Here we are using the sign which is less than or equal to. So now an which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n minus, sorry, 3 is there. If we are taking 3 to the power n minus 3 in this equation, it become 3 to the power 2 and this is plus 1. So our an which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n minus 3 and this become 3 3 are 9, 9 plus 1. So when you solve it, an which is less than or equal to 10 into 3 to the power n minus 3. So we can clearly see that here 10 is there. So therefore we can write it as 10 into 3 to the power n minus 3 which is less than or equal to 27 into 3 to the power n minus 3. So now further we solve it. This become 10 into 3 to the power n minus 3 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power 3. We can write it as 3 to the power 3 which is nothing but 27. That's why I am writing 27 as 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power n minus 3. So this is nothing but 10 into 3 to the power n minus 3 which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n. So when you combine this equality, it become 8 to the power n which is less than or equal to 3 to the power n. So this is the expression we have to prove with the help of these three steps. So like that you have to solve in the examination with the help of three steps. First one is base case, second one is inductive hypothesis. With the help of inductive hypothesis, we are further proceed with the inductive step. So if you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.